been so entranced by this Archer spaceman riddle and the intriguing answer that I forgot all about my Real Heroes update. And these are Gumball machine, what are they, 1-inch army men pulling out of a Gumball machine at a price chopper in North Utica, New York. These are I guess the green row on the top is complete. There's an example of all 8 poses. There are 4 colors of what they call camouflage, and those are the most I have of those other colors. And here are some other extras. I've got a couple more. Bust into them. And of course my videos here are for other grown-up collectors. They're not made with child age audiences in mind. And I'd actually, without intending to, had seen that this one had the black pistol die. So there's another one of him. Already had one. We're hoping for a khaki machine gun guy without sunglasses. Or the others that I'm missing. Here we've got a green medic. I guess that's my 3rd or 4th of him. 4th green medic. Thinking what to do with the extras. And there is a green machine gun guy with goggles. That's my 4th of him as well. Whoa. Sorry about the focus there. What's up? Last one. Last hope for a khaki machine gun guy without goggles, and we get green guy with binoculars. One of my favorite poses with the binoculars. And yeah, that's my 3rd of him. We'll make space habitation domes for my rocket dioramas out of the globes, or find other things to put in them for my vendor stall at Wildflowers Armory in Syracuse, and get on with making some space art. Yeah, because that's cool.